how beautiful it is up here.
We're about to land. Are you? Go look out the window.
I am.
Okay, go.
Mom, 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 la 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 ba 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 ba
Felix, Highway 280.
I'm looking at the battery.
Okay.
I'm looking at the battery.
No, but don't touch it.
Battery.
So look at the lights.
With the battery.
No, it's okay. Look at the light. We're about to land in an airport.
I don't see the plane.
It's almost here. Getting closer to the ground.
Where's the building?
I'm gonna check for you.
Where's the building? What kind of building is this? Why are all those lights blinking at us?
That's it here at the airport.
Wow.
Oh, that's 17.
Wow, we're really close. Wow. 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 Wow.
Wow. Kind of rough. Yay, we're here.
How's all these things get out?
Ladies and gentlemen, we've just landed at the San Jose International Airport. The local time here is about 9:03. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your continued comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
Yep.
Before leaving us, please check about your seat area and in the overhead compartments for any articles you might have brought on board with you. Please be careful when you open the overhead storage areas. Items may have shifted in flight, may fall out when the compartments are open. For those of you that came on board with small children, we'd like to ask that you give it about 10 minutes before you start to disembark. It will take the ground personnel that long to bring your